So this is just a section of road, a small loop section that was actually problematic because it came through in a sort of a zigzag shape, as you can see. So we came from here and we would go through this section and then around again, and it was actually on a slight decline or at the bottom of a small ridge where a lot of water was coming through and causing erosion. So had to close this particular road, so that's what's happened now. You can hear the TLB in the background, so it's come and actually sort of leveled off the gully that was already here. And then this is called brush packing, where you basically take bits and pieces of wood that are lying around and chop a few bushes that are quick growers and nothing too important to have around, and then you basically just pack the soil to stop animals trampling it and walking all over it, and that'll actually allow seeds that are in the soil to start germinating, and ultimately we'll have this area being recovered over a year or two, especially if you have good rains. And that's how you rehabilitate an old road, one of the easiest ways to do it. And then the new section we're obviously going to make straight through here, so you can see opening up through the bush there just to make a new road. And all you have to do is just drive that a few times and it ends up being a new 2-track. So lockdown's giving us lots of opportunities to fix things that we don't generally have time to do.